Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you fast, simple and easy way to send information to your driver, basically to dispatch him quickly, easily and efficiently. For that we're gonna need Lightshot app. You can Google Lightshot on the Google, it's gonna be first link over there. Now after you click on that link, you can download the Lightshot for Windows or Mac if you're using Mac. Because we are using Windows, I'll be downloading for Windows. After you click download and save, after the download is complete, you can click on it, install it all the way to the end, and now you are ready to use it. In order to use it on Windows machines, on the keyboard, you're gonna have dedicated key that's only for screenshot. It's usually print screen or PRT SCR or something similar, and after you click that, it's automatically going to work, and you can select portion of the screen or full screen that you want to screenshot. I'm using Windows, so I can click on the print screen key, and now whole display becomes gray, and we can select the area we want to screenshot. For example, I want to screenshot this area. You can move it afterwards, you can resize it if you want to, and we are able to save it to the desktop. So when you click on this disk over here, it's going to save it to the Lightshot folder in your documents, if you have set it up that way. By default, it's gonna save it to Lightshot folder in your documents. But there's an easier way. If you're going to send that screenshot right away, either to your driver or attach it to email or anywhere else basically. The way I'm doing it is by using Control and C hotkey on the Windows, which is gonna copy this screenshot in the clipboard. Now I can go anywhere in the driver's text message, in email or anywhere else where I can paste that screenshot, and I can click on Control and V. Now it's going to paste this screenshot right away, so I don't have to save it and search for it afterwards to be able to upload it somewhere. But if you want to do that, if you want to save this screenshot to the desktop and use it later, you can use it by selecting the part of the screen you want to screenshot, then clicking on this disk, which is save button. This way it's going to save it on your computer in the file folder that you choose, or if you don't choose any, it's gonna save to the default folder in Lightshot. There is also an option to upload it and send it as a link. When you click on this cloud icon over here, it's going to automatically upload it and create a link for you to be able to copy and send to someone else who you want to access that screenshot. Now I have copied that screenshot link, and I'm going to open new tab, paste it here and open. Right now I can see the screenshot I just took a minute ago over here, and I'm also able to zoom in if it's a bigger screenshot. I'm able to zoom in. I can also save it, do anything with it I want, but the fastest and easiest way for me is to use Control C hotkey on the keyboard, and that way copy it and paste it where I need it. If you're using Mac, you have to use this hotkey combination for Mac to fire up the Lightshot app and to be able to select portion of the screen, screenshot it and send to someone else. Also, the cool feature of the Lightshot is when you select the portion of the screen you want to screenshot, you have all these options to add to the screenshot right away. So you can add text if you would like to, like this, and it's going to stay on the screenshot when you save it or when you copy it or when you upload it to the Lightshot website. There's also this rectangle option over here, which allows you to select portion of the screen that you want to highlight. For example, if you want to highlight pickup or delivery numbers to the driver on the screenshot that you are sending to him, you can do it this way. You can also write your own writings on there. You can add lines, you can add pointers. And all of this will be saved when you click on save or copy or upload to the cloud. Now I'll be uploading to the cloud just to check what the result is. Copy, go here, paste, and as you can see, everything we have done over there is saved. Now I'll show you instance where I use it the most. So we open the rate confirmation over here and we want to send this information to the driver without copying like this or typing up it manually. So all I need to do is click on print screen key on my keyboard, select the area I want to screenshot, and I can Control-C, copy it, or I can upload it to the cloud or save to my computer if I need to use it later for something else. That way, driver will get accurate pickup or delivery numbers, accurate shipper information, shipper address, as well as the delivery information, company name, delivery company address, and all of that. Now I'll show you the instance where this app is most useful to me. Is, for example, if you have document, PDF document, but when you open it, you are not able to select text because it's scanned. But now we can use screenshot, select the portion of the document we want to send to our driver or to somebody else, easily save it, upload it, or copy and send it right away.